What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at installing additional disks on your Dell PowerEdge server, but before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so yet. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. Now let's get started installing Dell server disks. This guide assumes you have ordered the correct disks and carriers and are ready to install. The Dell disk carrier part number used in this guide is DXD9H, a 2.5-inch compatible drive tray for the PowerEdge servers. To start, unlock and release the clasp and remove the front cover. Then remove the placeholders in the available disk slots. With the disk slots exposed, you can optionally test an empty disk carrier. Move the placeholders and front cover off to the side. Next, let's unbox the rest of our disks and disk carriers. The carriers will come with 4 screws. Place the disk in the carrier and insert and tighten the screws. The disk and carrier will only have one correct orientation where the disk body is flush with the carrier for insertion. Assemble all disks and we're ready to insert into the server disk bays. Insert each disk till there's pressure in the back and click down the disk release lever. You should hear a click and see a green LED. Repeat the process for each disk one at a time, clicking down the clasp and seating each of the disks. If you have your iDRAC console open, you will now see additional available disks. Your new disks are installed and you can now provision additional virtual disks or add to your RAID set. Check out the next videos creating a virtual disk RAID in iDRAC and creating a data store in VMware. Thanks for watching and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful installing disks on your Dell server in the comments. See you in the next video and let's Ninja fix it.